In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva offline for presentations anywhere. If you've ever had to present in a room with spotty Wi-Fi or you're traveling and can't count on a stable connection, this feature will save you stress and keep your slideshow running smoothly. Start by opening Canva on your computer or mobile device and heading to your projects. This is where all your designs live. If you organize your work into folders, go to the folder where you keep your presentation so you can find what you need quickly. From the Canva homepage, navigate to the presentation section to see all slides you've created. Now, locate the specific presentation you want to use offline. Hover your mouse over that design to reveal a small three-dot icon, often called the More icon. On mobile, you'll see the same three dots next to the design name. Click or tap those three dots to open a menu of options for that presentation. In that menu, select Enable Offline Presenting. This tells Canva to package the slides and assets needed to display your presentation without an internet connection. It's designed for presenting, not editing, so think of it like caching a read-only version that will play reliably when you're offline. If your slides include images and graphics from your Canva library, those will sync. Some advanced elements, like certain embedded content that relies on live internet, may not work offline, so consider replacing those with static screenshots if consistency is critical. When prompted, click Continue to confirm. Canva will begin syncing your design to your device. Let the app sit for a moment so everything can finish downloading. You may see a small indicator showing progress. Larger presentations with lots of images can take a bit longer. Once the sync is complete, your presentation is ready to go, even if you're completely offline. A quick tip before you head into a no Wi-Fi environment: give yourself a minute to open the presentation while you're still online, then close it. That small step helps ensure the latest version is cached. If you make last-minute edits later, repeat the Enable Offline Presenting process and allow it to resync so you have the newest changes with you. When it's time to present, open Canva, go to your projects, and launch the sync presentation. You'll be able to advance your slides smoothly without relying on a connection. That's all you need to confidently present from anywhere. Thanks for watching.